G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out.
Okay, so we're just in a beautiful country area here. You can hear the cows in the background. Just doing a removal of the old fiberglass that's in the house before we put in cellulose fibre insulation. So as you can see, I'll just jump down in here. Just a second. I'll just put the bags in. So we've got the stick there, and I'm just going to pull out all of this old glass because it's sunk down. It's actually quite thin now. You can see how thin that is now, and it would have been sitting right up high in those bays beforehand doing its job, but now it's sunk right down. So you can see those ones over there are a little bit thicker, but mostly through here it's all sunk down. And interestingly, the job itself has got big holes in it, which is why it hasn't been working. But up through here, if we can see, it looks like there's a bit of a rat's nest up here. Go through here. Got my offsider in here already. And here, look, see on the bats here, you can see they're all torn apart, right? So see here, that's all torn up. And that, yep. Yeah, I'm just videoing it. Oh, is it? Oh, okay, alright. Yep, so rats do crawl around on your bats and dig them up and pull them apart and stuff. I'll just come over here a bit further. Is it over to the left here, or?
Hey?
Oh, I can't see it. Oh, yeah.
A big pile of crap.
Yeah, I can't see it on the video. But anyway, that's so we're just going to pull out all the old glass bats and that weren't working because they've degraded, and we're going to put in cellulose fibre, and the job will be done right and looking a lot better.